In today's video, I'm going to teach you demo our QuickBooks Online, how to enter a check. By the end, you'll be confident recording a check so it shows up accurately in your books and bank register. First, open QuickBooks Online and head to the top left of your screen. Click the New button. Depending on your layout, it might also appear as a plus sign. This is your starting point for creating any new transaction. From the menu that appears, choose Check. This tells QuickBooks you're recording a payment made by check, not an expense paid by card or a bill payment against an existing vendor bill. Selecting the correct form keeps your reports clean and prevents duplicate entries. Now it's time to input all the details of the check. Start with the payee, the person or company you're paying. Next, choose the bank account the check is coming from so it posts to the right register. Enter the date the check was written, and if you already wrote a physical check, type the check number. If you plan to print it later, you can mark it to print, but the key is that the number reflects what's on the check. Add the amount, then choose where that money should be categorized. In the category details, select the appropriate expense or asset account and add a short description so future you knows exactly what this payment was for. If the cost needs to be split across multiple accounts, add additional lines and allocate the amounts. If you track customers, projects, classes, or locations, assign those fields here so reporting stays accurate. Use the memo field for helpful context, like an invoice reference or service period. If you have a receipt or support document, attach it so everything lives with the transaction for easy audit and review later. Before saving, pause for a quick review. Confirm the payee, bank account, date, check number, and total. Double-check the category selections, especially if you split the expense. A careful review now helps you avoid edits and reconciliations later. When everything looks good, click Save. You might see options like Save and Close or Save and New. Any save option will record the transaction to your books. After saving, the check will appear in your bank register and flow through to your reports, like your profit and loss and your vendor activity. And there you go. Click New, select Check, enter the details carefully, and click Save. That's all you need to accurately record a check in QuickBooks Online.